The Mavericks Christmas greetings pick up steam this evening as we say compliments of the season to all West Indian cricket lovers, from the long-suffering fans to the board, the coaches, the managers, and of course, the players. And as we head into the new year, I'm asking for one favor. The West Indies are struggling in Test and ODI cricket, but we are still defending World T20 champions despite being ranked at number 10 in the format. But let us at least get back to a proper ruling of the roost in 2020 cricket in the year 2020. After everybody eat and drink and drunk and sober back, let us strategically pursue the most prudent and pragmatic way to rebuild this great institution called West Indies cricket, starting with 2020 in 2020. As for the West Indies players, we're asking for a 20% change of attitude, dedication, and application. So the batsmen, concentrate and apply yourselves 20% more. And for the bowlers, work and think and execute 20% better. Yeah, man. In 2020, make we pre-2020. And we say a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!